Chita Craft, let's get over to you right now. What are we tracking right this instant here on this Friday morning?
And we actually just got a live update from the National Hurricane Center. So what has changed? The pressure. The pressure is down to 950 millibars. It is continuing to gain strength and organization. I say that it is still a Category 2 hurricane, still sitting off the coast of Corpus Christi. We're still expecting this to make landfall overnight tonight as a Category 3, potentially a Cat 4, and then linger across southeast Texas through Wednesday of next week. Hurricane warnings in effect from Matagorda County and southwest of. Tropical storm warnings in effect here locally and along the immediate coastline. Storm surge possible in Galveston between about 2 to 4 feet. Once you head into Brazoria County, that's upwards of 4 to 8. Your quick day part planner today. We are seeing scattered showers now, a few heavy downpours that will pick up to more squally-like weather today, later this afternoon and evening, and for your Saturday. Rain chances increase. So the first feeder band starting to impact areas primarily I-10 and south of this morning. And then take a look at what happens. Our future track 1 o'clock. Notice how some of these heavier downpours now are starting to impact the entire area. What's interesting with our future track model, notice how all the rain is pushing right around the area. Again, this is that circulation around Hurricane Harvey. So the rain we're seeing this morning through this evening is all thanks to Hurricane Harvey, even though the landfall doesn't even happen overnight. How much rain are we expecting? That's the #1 question, and exactly where it's expected to fall. The next 24 hours, between 3 to 7 inches of rain possible. That 7 probably on the high side. You want to make sure you are prepared to stay put this evening through midday Wednesday. 5 days. Do you have the right supplies to last you through over the next 5 days where you're at right now? Continuing this through Saturday and Sunday, 8 to 15 inches of rain by Sunday evening, not out of the question. That's widespread street flooding right there. We're talking major highways not passable as we head into Sunday evening. Wednesday, widespread between 10 to 15, and most models indicating now not out of the question that we could see 25 to 35 inches of rain in an isolated amount by Wednesday midday. Really think about that. This city floods after about 9 to 13 inches of rain, right, in about a 48-hour period. We are talking about life-threatening, critical situations as we head into the beginning of next week. So please prepare you and your family today. We cannot say that enough. It's going to be a dire situation as we head into the beginning of next week. Well-defined eye this morning. Again, about 140 to 180 miles away from Corpus Christi. As we head into Matagorda County, that's why they're under mandatory evacuations at this point. There are hurricane warnings in effect there. Here this morning, you're waking up to scattered showers across the area. Some heavier downpours from Crystal Beach into Galveston, Angleton, Freeport. You can see that lit up on our radar. This is only the beginning. So you may have a tricky travel here this morning, but I'm telling you, as we head into this weekend, roads will be impassable. Darby's going to be really busy. Not this morning so much, but as we head into the weekend. And Darby, businesses, schools closed this morning, not because roads are impassable, but because they're setting the stage of how they want you to prepare for the upcoming weekend.
Yeah, and I think that's fantastic that a lot of businesses are closing. So check your work email before you leave the house. You might not be going into work today.